Hello, my name is Shishir. I live in Lucknow. My age is 29 at the moment. Currently, my specs power is for the left lens it is 8-8.75, and for the right lens it's -8.25. I have been wearing specs since the start of 2004. It was 5th standard. What happened initially was मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा आगे आना पड़ता था क्लास में, बोर्ड के पास आना पड़ता था, नहीं दिखता था कभी कभी। तो फिर टीचर बोलती थी मेरे को कि क्यों आ रहे हो, वहीं से बैठ के देखो ना शांति से, और डांट देती थी। बट फिर घर पे बोला, इनिशियल इन लोगों को लगा मजाक कर, बट फिर ये सीरियस हुए, फिर इन्होंने दिखाया। उसके बाद फिर इनिशियल पावर व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड इट वाज -3.5 एंड it felt very tedious, it felt very heavy to start with the specs at such a young age, but eventually अब जब पहनने लगे तो आदत पड़ गई उसकी। Then for some time it was constant, 2 to 3 years, then it took a spike to -5, and in 12th, that was in 2011, at the end it rose to -6. It was extremely difficult because of the heaviness of the specs, the issues of weather, rains. It was problematic. It was a lot problematic. Then when I started college in 2012, then 16, then my post graduation, 2018 it finished. After that I had a job. Then there was a medical. They asked for my power. Then I got checked. It was -7.25 at that moment. It was very painful. I wanted to get them removed, but at that time that I asked the doctor. He said that wait for 6 months, let the power get stable, and then you can finally move for the surgery. So I waited, but then my preparation, government exams, this and that, everything came in between. I was not able to get my surgery at the proper time. Finally, I am getting this done. I would be very happy by this. इसका बोझ, इसकी वजह से जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, मैं दिल्ली रह रहा हूँ काफ़ी टाइम से, मास्क पहनना पड़ता है, उस पर वो फॉग जनरेट होता है, उसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, प्लस डस्ट चली जाए तो और आफत है, लिस्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स। इट इज़ अ हेक्टिक थिंग। सो फाइनली it will happen today. My specs will be removed. I would be very happy to get rid of this weight and see with my natural lenses. I got to know about Eye Mantra from YouTube. Because I had to get the surgery done, so I searched for the best options I could have. And I am from Lucknow, so I searched there. I searched in Chennai also, in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and finally I decided that Eye Mantra would be the best option to have. After regressive 15 days, videos and this and that, Reddit, everything I could find, I searched. The experiences were good, the patient experiences were good. The last, my friend had got a surgery done from here. He recommended me कि हाँ करा लें इसे, सही है, बढ़िया है. So then I finally did it. So the surgery is gonna happen in some time. I am happy because it will get removed. I am also a bit nervous because इतने साल पहना है तो अटैचमेंट भी है इससे, बहुत साल पहनने की वजह से। सो दैट्स इट, दैट्स द फीलिंग। इट इज़ गुड, इट इज़ नर्वसनेस, इट इज़ अ मिक्स ऑफ इमोशन, इट इज़ अ मिक्स बैग ऑफ इमोशन बेसिकली। अभी हटेगा तो उसके बाद अच्छा लगेगा ऑब्वियसली, बट अभी बहुत ही मिक्स फीलिंग है। So the surgery has been done for the ICL. The surgery happened yesterday at around 12 o'clock. It took 15 minutes for the surgery max. for both the eyes. Initially I was a bit scared because it was the first time. It is a big change from my regular lifestyle of using specs and all, and I was nervous about it, but it went fine. There was no pain, nothing at all. It was very smooth. Talking about the experience and the overall experience, the entire staff of iMantra was very helpful, very coordinated. कुछ भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई कहीं पे भी, बहुत ही सही था. सब स्टाफ ने मेरा पूरा सपोर्ट किया, और श्वेता मैम को मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थैंक्स बोलूँगा. उनकी हर इम्पोर्टेंस इन माई लाइफ विल बी फॉर एवर, बिकॉज उनकी वजह से मेरा विजन अब एब्सोल्युटली फाइन है और वो लाइफ टाइम के लिए है. तो शी विल बी एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन इन माई लाइफ फॉर द इंटायर लाइफ टाइम. So anyone who wants to get the specs removal surgery, either LASIK or ICL or the RLE, any other, you can obviously come here. There's the process is smooth. There are no delays. Everything went fine. I came here 2 weeks back, and because I had the ICL surgery, so they asked me that it will take 10 to 12 days for the lens to come, and then the surgery will happen. So yesterday was the surgery. Today is the follow-up. There will be another follow-up after 7 to 10 days. So the process is very smooth. They won't trouble you a bit even. So you can go for it, and best wishes.